What's going on, y'all? JT with an RC update. I know some of you guys saying it came out yesterday. I needed a break off from YouTube, went to go see Spider-Man and stuff. But anyway, Traxxas has announced a WideXmaxx kit for their X-Max. So this kit gives the truck, I think it said 2.63 inches or 60 millimeters more width on each side. And it's supposed to, of course, since it's wider, it's going to help with the stability and stuff of the truck. With it, there's some close-up images of the WideXmaxx kit or the Y kit placed on an X-Max. So it comes in a couple different colors. You guys see that it has this blue, then it has this black, and then it has a green, and then an orange, and then a red as well. Now it comes with drive shafts and springs and stuff, so it gives you everything you need for that, which is good. I probably will not be getting this because I pretty much like my X-Max the way it is. It's just monster trucky to me, and that's what it just reminds me of. So I probably won't be getting this, but you guys put your comments down below. It'd be good if it came with a longer chassis to it, which would be cool, but we won't get that just yet. But anyway, guys, put your comments down below. I want to let you know about this. Interested in what you guys want to say about this, and it does cost 200 bucks. So let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos, guys. Thanks for watching.